you like to see MI with in the finals?
CSK can't come, so
RCB.
it's RCB fans.
You guys are RCB fans?
No, I hate RCB. I want to see RCB lose in the finals.
How was your experience watching a match at the Wankhede?
I've never watched cricket before in my life. It was awesome. It was really good. Yes, of course.
Ma'am, what did you tell her about the whole
She
cricket?
learned the entire game. She learned the entire game.
Amazing, fantastic batting display by the guys, and the bowling has also been going great.
Yeah.
As the match is kind of decided, that's why we already left.
मुझे अपने घर जाना है. Though I'm not a MI fan, neither an LSG fan, but I was happy seeing Mumbai rise from the below of the table to where it is right now. I'm a Mumbaiker at the end of the day, so of course.
वन साइडेड कर दिया लखनऊ ने, कंपटीशन ही नहीं दिया.
तो वही तो बात है ना मुंबई की कि कंपटीशन को खत्म कर देते हैं.
Which channel?
Cricket.com. We are on YouTube and Instagram.
Lovely.
Great fun to watch, and I think towards the end of it was quite pretty much done. I would have hoped for a more last nail-biting finish, but it's okay.
मुंबई का बैटिंग सॉलिड था और आज पूरन से थोड़ा एक्सपेक्टेशन था पर पूरन इतना खेल नहीं पाया. सूर्य का बैटिंग बहुत अच्छा था.
5 wins on the trot.
That's it. That's Mumbai Indians magic. Mumbai Indians is magic.
I mean, this has been the pattern, no? Ever since like the kind of comeback that they managed to like make.
Yeah, this is the mighty Mumbai who used to win 5 cups, and maybe it's the 6th.
6th one is coming.
Yeah, 6th one is coming. It's coming home.
Yeah, exactly. And East or West, Mumbai Indians is the best.
And Suryakumar Yadav with the bat. I mean,
Yeah, sky. And today we meet Mr. Sanjeev Goenka also. He's too good. He should bat for Lucknow.
अभी तो मैच हो गया. अभी आप जर्सी ले रहे हैं मुंबई का.
हाँ,
क्यों?
तो क्या ना अपने बच्चों को भी ना मैं 2 ग्रैंड सन है तो एक को देंगे दूसरे को भी दे देंगे ना.
मतलब पूरी फैमिली MI सपोर्टर है.
ऑफ कोर्स.
क्या लगता है इस बार?
MI supporter है मैं.
मुंबई सपोर्टर.
Yes, पूरी मुंबई है.
Boom, 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 ra. Boom, 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 ra.
बूम 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 रा. गोट है आज.
हैट्रिक के लिए रह गया.
He was very good. I think he took like 6 or 5 wickets.
4 wickets.
Yeah, he took 4 wickets.
Surya Kumar was amazing. Bumrah was amazing. And Bumrah really played well.
Bumrah is your real MVP, no? Most valuable
Yeah.
player.
Yeah.
he is.
Yeah.
And do you know he has surpassed Lasith Malinga to be Mumbai Indians' highest wicket taker with 171 wickets.
Yeah, he's definitely the greatest in Mumbai, and he's the best bowler in the world right now. So yeah.
He's the GOAT, right?
Yeah, he is absolutely. I also enjoyed Ryan's like half century. Yeah.
Okay, brilliant.
And one more was there.
Suryakumar Yadav now.
Oh my God, phenomenal. I mean, if it's Wankhede, is it possible that Surya Kumar Yadav does not perform? It's his ground.
ये गांव मेरा है और मैं इस गांव का जयकार जिगरे.
19,000 little kids like him had come to the match today. How was the whole experience?
Electric. With ma'am, you know whom am I talking?
Right. So it was
Too good.
The atmosphere was electrifying.
Electric. Absolutely electric.
देखो मैंने बहुत सारे नीचे बैठे थे जहाँ बैठे थे ना मैं मतलब उसी के नीचे ही थे वो सब.
अच्छा.
मतलब नीता अंबानी जी को हमने देखा थे जाते हुए.
It was great to see the initiative that was done for all those kids. And otherwise, I don't know when they would ever get to watch a cricket match.
अंबानी की बहुत बड़ी मेहरबानी है कि वो बच्चों को फ्री टिकट्स रखते हैं जबकि उनका नुकसान होता है, कुछ भी होता है, बट वो बहुत मतलब खुशियाँ होती है क्योंकि बच्चे लोग बहुत एक्साइटेड होते हैं कि हम प्लेयर्स को देखेंगे, हम उनकी मैचेस देखेंगे के इस हिसाब से. तो बहुत क्योंकि हम जैसे आम लोग जल्दी देख नहीं पाते, बट वो बच्चों के लिए हर साल फ्री रखते हैं.
They are like from Reliance Foundation, and it's like from I think Mukesh Ambani or something like that.
Yeah, it was amazing and it's a beautiful gesture by her.
ये नहीं वो खुद उठ के गई, सबसे मिलके आई, माता पैदल गई, सबसे मिला, उनसे मिला. कितना अच्छा लगता है बच्चों को, कितना जोश में.
बहुत अच्छा लगा बच्चों को भी मैच देखते हुए देख के. Good initiative, no, by the Reliance Foundation.
Yeah.
But there was another Indian batter, you know, Rishabh Pant.
He's flopped this season. Full flop. Only he had made one half century.
He will come back
You think it's
next IPL when he will join Mumbai.
okay? Okay.
हमको ज्वाइन कर लो.
लेकिन मतलब पंत से डिसअपॉइंटमेंट आपको क्या लगता है? संजीव गोयनका क्या कह रहे होंगे अभी?
केएल राहुल को ही रिटेन करना चाहिए था, बट उन्होंने बोला है ना कि मैंने 11 साल के लिए इन्वेस्ट किया है. आपने उनका इंटरव्यू देखा रहेगा, उन्होंने बोले 11 साल के लिए इन्वेस्ट किया, तो दिखते तभी और है 10 साल.
10 साल के बाद इसी स्टेशन पे वापस आएंगे.
They are making to the finals this time, not even playoff final.
Hopefully, yeah.
In my opinion, CSK is definitely out of the game now. But I think Delhi is coping up. RCB this time is playing pretty well. So yeah.
मुंबई के क्वालिफाई होने के चांस अभी भी मेंटेन है और हो सकती है क्वालिफाई.
जीतेंगे कि नहीं? क्वालिफाई तो मुझे भी लग रहा है हो जाएंगे.
जीतेगी तो आरसीबी.
RCB. Would you love to see an RCB versus MI final?
Of course, yes. That's something which I would want to see in my home ground.
रोको, विराट कोहली रोको, दोनों फैन हैं हम लोग. तो मुंबई जीते आरसीबी, बट पहले आरसीबी को जिताना.
किसको फाइनल में देखना पसंद करेंगे आप?
MI.
MI के साथ?
Anyone. We are ready to take on all the 10 teams.
For more such videos, check out our Cricket.com YouTube page.